A group of 189 people went on a field trip, using a total of 33 cars and vans to reach their destination. Each of the cars can fit 5 people in them, while each van holds 7 people. Assuming all the vehicles are full, exactly how many vans were used for the field trip? Go ahead, pause the video. This is a non-calculator question, and then press play once you're ready. All right, so here we go. So destination, plan, and follow. It's a word problem. Might as well take it slow. So what we're discussing here is a group of people going on a field trip using cars and vans. What we are trying to figure out is how many vans were used. All right, nice and easy, nice and quick. So we want to use V for vans. And I also noticed that we're talking about cars as well, so C, cars. All right. Now let's go ahead and talk about this. So total of 189 people. And how many vehicles were used? Well, 33 vehicles total were used. Right there. And I'll just erase this so we can see it better. 33 total vehicles. All right. And every car has 5 people. So 5 per car. And 7 per van. So knowing this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just try to make some relationships, make some equations, because I have 2 variables and I know I'm going to have to make 2 equations to solve for them each, because that's how math works. You can't have 2 variables in one equation. You'll never get a solid number unless you have more than one equation to represent it. So with that said, we have 33 total vehicles and we're using vans and cars. So the number of vans plus the number of cars needs to equal 33. Next, since there are 7 people per van, 7 people per van and 5 people per car, the total number of people will total up to 189 people. Again, 7V represents the 7 people per van and 5C represents the 5 people per car. And once I multiply the number of vans by the people in them, we'll have the total number of people. Same thing with cars. And when we add them together, we'll get 189 people. So there it is. We have our system of equations. And now we can solve this. Remember, keep your eye on the prize. I want to solve for vans. We want to know how many vans were on the trip. So with that said, I'm going to try to eliminate or solve for V directly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to eliminate the C variable. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and multiply the entirety of my top equation by 5. And I can just do -5 just to make it negative, so that way I can just add straight down and we're good. So -5 times V is -5V. -5 times C is -5C. -5 times 33 would give us, well, let's just go ahead and use some mental math there, because we can split up 33 into 30 and 3. Multiply each by 5 and then add it back together. So that's going to be 150 plus 15. So that's 165. So we have 165. And so we have to make it negative to make sure that we distributed that negative appropriately. Putting everything else back, the second part right there, I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste. Boom, right there. And actually, I'm going to just move it over just a tad bit to line it up. All right. So now let's just go ahead and solve. I'm going to add right down, giving me 2V. Cancel out the C, equals, and that's going to be 24 numbers apart. So 24 is what we have. So there we go. Divide both sides by 2 to get the number of vans, and we get V equals 12. So there were 12 vans on the trip. There we go. Hope this helps.